you get pre-approved, you now have your number, you've talked about interest rate programs with Anna, but this is how, we're going forward. But even once you have that information, there are additional ways that we can even hopefully lower that monthly payment while we're in the negotiations with the seller. And that's where I definitely step in and earn my duties as a real estate agent, is to be able to negotiate on your behalf. And what we are seeing right now with the, I guess, slower buyer demand, all of this did not exist for the last 2 years. It was a bloodbath. You had to put your best foot forward. And now we're able to see these opportunities where we can ask the seller to pay for things like your closing costs. And that is tens of thousands of dollars potentially that you don't have to take out of your savings to put towards the home. So in the right scenario, we can say, hey, can you cover this for my buyer so that they buy your home? We're seeing a lot of that right now. You can also ask them to repair things that come up in our inspection report once we're under contract. And they may also pay for something like a home warranty. So even just more ways that we can ask the seller to help you out as a first-time home buyer, so that either that monthly payment is lower, or just even what you're coming out of pocket to purchase the home is lower.